So we're going to start off by rinsing the aloe off. And I'm going to show you the proper way to slice and open the aloe. You just need to cut down the sides so the little prickly area doesn't cut you while you're trying to get inside of the aloe. So by cutting both sides, it makes it a little easier to get inside of the aloe. Wow, look at that. And aloe is very sticky and gooey, as you can see. Next, I usually take off the first layer of skin to cut the aloe. And once again, the gooiness of the aloe. Now I'm just going to slightly spoon the aloe off of the branch. So as you can see, I'm putting it in my Ninja bullet and I'm just going to blend it. It's really soft, so it's going to blend fairly easy. And as you can see, it is all blended, soft, and ready to go. Now I'm going to add my fresh lime juice, and I'm choosing lime over lemon for this one. So 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And I like to store it and just have it ready for when I'm ready to have it in the morning. So here I am getting my ginger ready, peeling it and slicing and dicing it. And ginger is full of cleansing benefits, from gut cleansing, skin cleansing, just an overall great way to detox your body. So why not add it into this drink? Now for my 1 cup of water. I'm going to add the ginger in and my aloe mixture. And you can see it still has that gooiness. So here we go. So now 2 tablespoons of this mixture, which is just blended aloe and lime juice. So now I'm just going to blend it up. And because it's already soft, it doesn't take long to blend. But I am still going to give it another go. And it's pretty much done, guys. What I didn't show you was me warming it. I like to drink it warm because it feels so good going down.
So this is a quick and easy way to make a aloe vera shot. It's amazing for gut cleansing. It helps to remove all of the buildup on your colon. It helps to remove all of the buildup on your face. It goes unnoticed to most of us, but it is super healthy and you will definitely see the changes. Aloe is quite bitter. You might want to add just a little honey just to satisfy your palate. I like to have it warm because it actually feels like it's working when it's going down. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this recipe with a friend. I'll see you next week.